Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about 3/8 extended length flex head ratchet from Hazet. After buying 3/8 flex head short length ratchet, I decided to get one in longer length and figured to make another video. The part number of this ratchet is 8816G. This ratchet has hard handle in 2-color design. Beautiful Hazet logo on the handle. Handle is not very big but good enough to get good grip. Recessed selector switch is solid. Gear teeth are 30, which is quite coarse, but the function is smooth. Flex mechanism is sloppy though. All the Hazet flex head ratchets are like that. Don't know why. It can be fixed by tightening the screw though. It feels nice and solid ratchet. Let's try some socket. Socket seated nice and firm. Very little wobble. I'm a big fan of flex head ratchets. You can use them in odd angles. This ratchet is quite thin profile. Length of the ratchet is 276 mm. I like the matte chrome finish of this ratchet. Back of the ratchet head is shiny and rest of the metal part has matte chrome finish. Nice Hazet logo and made in Germany stamped on the shaft. Let's bring some other ratchets for comparison. I got here short length flex head another Hazet ratchet just for sake of length comparison. I have got here Gedore, Stahlwille, Snap-on and 2 regular ratchets from Stahlwille and Hazet too. Both Hazet ratchets are similar, only the length is different. As I mentioned in my previous videos that this Gedore ratchet has the same body in its half-inch ratchet too. So this is quite bulky because the same body is used for the half-inch anvil too. Pretty unique though. Another unique feature of this ratchet is locking function can be used with free flexing and the free flexing stiffness can be also adjusted. What I mean by that, it can be sloppy and can be stiff according to your needs and also can be locked. I have never seen this kind of mechanism in any other ratchets. That's why I call it unique. Hazet has lever style selector switch, whereas Gedore has dial system switch. Gedore is a slightly longer in length. Hazet is smaller and thinner overall. Gedore has 72 gear teeth versus 30. Gedore has flat shaft and the handle is quite thick. Hazet ratchet head is quite small and thin. Here we got Stahlwille and the Hazet regular ratchets just to show you guys a look comparison. Moving on, here we got Stahlwille. Hazet ratchet is slightly smaller in length, both have matte chrome finish with different color tone. Hazet has slightly thicker shaft and it has hard handle, whereas Stahlwille has comfort grip. Both ratchets' head are identical as far as head size is concerned, but Stahlwille is a bit smaller and slightly thin profile. In fact, Stahlwille is the thinnest than the rest. Stahlwille has locking function for flex angles, but it always stays locked. Selector switch of the Stahlwille is recessed and bit bigger in size, but is smooth. Stahlwille has a quick release function, whereas Hazet is a non-quick release. Now, the Stahlwille has 80 teeth versus 30 teeth of Hazet. Stahlwille teeth are smoother obviously. This Hazet ratchet is an older design, whereas Stahlwille ratchet is a newer design. Now, snap-on ratchet. Snap-on ratchet has bigger and thicker handle. Hazet shaft is thinner though. Hazet ratchet head is smaller and slightly thinner than the snap-on. Snap-on ratchet selector switch is not recessed and Hazet selector switch is recessed. Snap-on has both locking and free flexing function, whereas Hazet is a non-locking design. Gear teeth of the snap-on are way smoother and quieter. It's got 80 teeth versus 30 teeth of Hazet. Hazet needs to fix the sloppiness of its flex mechanism from the beginning, and it's a brand new ratchet. Overall, this Hazet ratchet is high quality and robust. It is quite thinner ratchet, would be handy to work in engine bay or on tight spaces. I would love to see similar ratchet in Hyper series. If it comes in Hyper series, then that would be my favorite ratchet. Maybe Hazet introduce that in future. Okay guys, that's it with the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, consider to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching.